Hello everyone. We are going to see the next topic, which is your LU decomposition. So what is LU decomposition? LU decomposition is a way of finding out the values of equations. I mean, so you have a simultaneous equations. Let's show an example. Suppose you have a set of simultaneous equations. So there are three variables, x, y, and z. There are three variables, and I want to solve these three equations and find out what are the variables that what is the value of the variable that satisfy this equation. How to do so? There are various ways. One of the ways is LU decomposition. Excuse me. So how to do so? In the LU decomposition, what happens is that in the LU decomposition, suppose you have a matrix A is equals AX is equals to B. Now, how do I get this AX is equals to B matrix? Let me show it to you over here. These are the simultaneous equations 3x plus y plus z. So I can convert this simultaneous equation in the form of AX is equals to B. Let's show it to you. Suppose I have, see, 3x plus y plus z is equals to 4. 1x plus 2y plus 2z is equals to 3. 2x plus y plus 3z is equals to 4. So how can I do? Just take the coefficients. So it's 3 1 1. It is 3 1 1. It is 1 2 2. It is 1 2 2. Then I have 2 1 3 1 3. So it is my A. Over here x basically represents the unknown variables. So what are the unknown variables? The unknown variables are x, y, and z. So you're going to write x, y, and z. And the last one, which is b, it is nothing but the values over here. The first one is 3 4 3 4. So it is 4 3 4. So this is how you convert your set of simultaneous equation into your AX is equals to B formula. So let's see how to approach this numerical. Now you know what is your A, you know what is your X, and you know what is your B. In this formula, what we try to do is that initially I am going to assume that my A matrix, it is basically LU. Means there are two matrices L and U, which when multiplied I will get A. So that is the basic idea. Let's show you this with an example. This, suppose this matrix, this 4 12 minus 16 12 37 minus 43 6 minus 16 minus 40 20. This matrix is equals to this smaller matrix and multiplied with this smaller matrix. So if you do so, you will find that this is equivalent to your this matrix. So this A is equals to L U, and this is one way of saying it. So I am assuming that my matrix A is a multiplication of two matrices L and U. So I have L U X is equals to B. Now, as you know, as you can see from this, A is known to me, isn't it? A is known to me. So when A is known to me, I can find out what is my L and what is my U. How to do so? We use what we call is that one of the L will be either L will be diagonal matrix, so upper diagonal matrix, and U will be lower diagonal matrix. So this is what we're using the Crouch method. In the Crouch method, see, this L and U, this can be they can have different way of representation. One can be a Doolittle, one is a Crouch. So there are various way of representation. We are using the Crouch. In the Crouch, what happens is that U is having one on the diagonal. So this U is a special type of matrix. It's a special matrix which is in this form. In L is having this. So this is a special type of matrix. L and U. Okay. U is my upper triangular matrix. I have only values in the upper triangular, and L is having the lower triangular matrix. So with the help of this, I'm going to find out what is my LNU. Once I have my LNU, what I do is that I will consider this U and X to be my Y. Now what do I have? I have L, I have Y is equals to B. Once I have this, I am going to see L is known to me, B is known to me, Y is the unknown. Y is the unknown, so I can easily find out that from here. Once I know what is Y, then I can use this and find out what is my X. I don't know whether you have understood or not. Let me show it to you once more, and then we will see the numerical. Only when you see the numerical, you will understand. So initially I have A, X is equals to B. I am assuming A to be L, U. Then I have X as usual is equals to B. Then I am assuming this U and X to be Y. So L and Y is equals to B. And then I am solving this Y. I'm solving this Y. I'm solving this Y. Once I have Y, I can use that in Y is equals to UX, and I can solve my X. My X can be solved. So this is the step. First, represent your set of simultaneous equation as AX is equals to B. Then assume A to be L and U, where where U is upper triangular matrix, L is a lower triangular matrix of this form. Once I have this, then I am going to assume U X to be my Y. Then I'm going to calculate Y. Once I know Y, then I can calculate X. As I'm telling you once more, I have done this numericals manually with my hand, but when I tried to record it, the size was very large. It was not possible for me to upload it because at least where I am staying, my net connectivity is not that good. Anyhow, I will provide you with links of other um, faculty members who have done this either on YouTube or other Neptal or any other such platform, and I will make sure that you understand. Once the code is open, then we can have a one-on-one discussion on it. If even before that, if you have any doubt, you can always WhatsApp me, or you can post it down in the Google Classroom. So let's see this example. So this is simultaneous equation. We have converted into A X is equals to B. So A is equals to A. Now this A, I'm assuming it to be a matrix of this form. A is equals to L and U. L and U I have selected in such a way that when they multiply, I get my A. Now since these values are unknown to you, your first priority will be to find out this. How to do so? Just multiply it. See, for the first value, how to calculate this value? This value can be calculated by 1 into U11 plus 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0, so I get U11. How to find U12? U12 1 into U12, 0 into U22, 0 into 0. How to find out this U13? 1 into U13, 0 into U23, 0 into U33. So how to find out this value? So take this L21 multiplied with U11, then 1 into 0, then 0 into 0. So if you do so, you will get this. I believe you know this how to do so. If you do not know, in that case, let me see if I can do it. 1 2 3 4 5 6. No, 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 just hold on. Suppose I need to find out. I have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and over here I have two values, which is M N O P Q R S T U P W X Y Z 1 2 3 and 4. Now suppose you do this. Now how to find out D? How to find out D? The D will be basically your P multiplied with this, P multiplied with V plus Q multiplied with Y, Q multiplied with Y plus R multiplied with 2 plus R multiplied with 2. So that's how you find out this value. That's what we have used over here. So I wanted to find out what is this. Multiply this with this, this with this, this with this. If I want the next value, if you want to find out E, you find out E. So this into this multiply P into W plus Q into this plus R into this. Okay, I think you should know how to do so. If not, I have explained to you, isn't it? So that's what has happened over here. Now, if you do it manually, just see the PDF which I will be providing you and do it yourself. You will understand. You will find it because I've already written the steps. So L31, then this L32 into 0 0. Now, this first value is equivalent to U11. This one is equivalent to, because there is equal sign over here, isn't it? So इसका जो भी value है ये same होगा इसका भी. Whatever value I'm having over here, this is same as this. Whatever value I'm over here, this is same as this. So then I have 1 over here, which is equals to L21 into U11. Now U11 is already known to you, which is equals to 3. So you can find out what is L23. तो ये देखो मैंने यहाँ पे कर दिया. I have found out for every one of them. One, दूसरा, दूसरा. So हर एक के लिए मैंने निकाला है यहाँ पे. Just go through it, you will easily find out. So I have my L and U. So originally it is AX is equals to B. Originally it was AX is equals to B. It was AX is equals to B. I converted my A into L and U. L and U. So L U X is equals to B. L is known to U. U is known to you. Now let me assume that U X to be Y, some value Y. Isn't it? The Y will be a column matrix. If that is the case, then I can write this LUX is equals to B to B, LY is equals to B. ठीक है ना? बिकॉज मैंने क्या किया है, मैंने UX को Y एज्यूम कर लिया, UX को Y एज्यूम कर लिया, तो मेरा LUX is equals to B क्या बन जाता है, LY is equals to B. Now Y is a column matrix. ये बात तुमको पता है, जस्ट कर लो, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, करो 1 into Y, 0 into Y2 प्लस 0 into Y3, तो इज इक्वल्स टू 4. ये फर्स्ट वैल्यू इसी से आ जाएगा. दूसरा वैल्यू कैसे निकलेगा, 1/3 मल्टीप्लाइड विथ Y1 प्लस 1 into Y2 प्लस 0 into Y3 इज इक्वल्स टू 3. ये आ गया तुम्हारा सेकंड वाला. इससे तुम्हारा निकल जाएगा Y, जो Y1 पहले से पता था, Y2 निकल जाएगा. नंबर 3, थर्ड वाला 2/3 into Y1 plus 1/5 into Y2 plus 1 into Y3 is equals to 4. इससे करो तो ये निकल जाएगा. This way you can easily find out your Y also. तो तुमको Y भी मिल गया. Now once you know your Y, all you have to do is that Y तुमको पता चल चुका है, U तुमको पहले से पता है, अब निकालना क्या है, तुमको X निकालना है, निकाल दो सिंपली. इक्वेशन निकाल दो, इक्वेशन मिल जाएगा, निकाल सकते हो. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड इट. मैं तुमको यूट्यूब का लिंक दे दूंगा जहाँ पे तुमको कोई और फैकल्टी ये करा रहा है, वो मिल जाएगा तुमको. एंड इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन ऑलवेज पोस्ट इट टू मी. थैंक यू.